Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you, is Finelo worth it right now? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So Finelo here has positioned itself as one of the top trending hubs for financial literacy. Now, specifically engineered for absolute beginners who want to master investing and trading without real-world risk. Now, according to its official platform specifications and their website, well, Finelo is built primarily as an educational ecosystem rather than the live brokerage here. Now, the core of the app revolves around a 28-day trading challenge, which serves up bite-sized 5-minute daily lessons covering technical charts analysis, risk management, and often overlooked psychology of trading here. Now, to put the theory into practice, the whole website highlights interactive real-time market simulator that lets you trade stocks, forex, and crypto using virtual money. Now, a massive standout feature is their advanced AI charts analyzer here. Now, you can literally snap a picture of a market chart and upload it, and built-in AI will instantly scan the image to detect trends, patterns, and key resistances or resistance levels for you. Now, if you dive into the reviews on platforms like, let's just say, Google Play Store, or even on Trustpilot here, well, the pros are quite overwhelmingly focused on how approachable and incredibly engaging the lessons are. Now, thousands of users give it 5 stars for stripping away complicated financial jargon and breaking down complex market mechanics into simple, straightforward language. Now, reviewers consistently note that the built-in audio option, which reads the material out loud, makes it incredibly convenient to learn while multitasking. Now, people also love the gamified quizzes that test your knowledge at the end of each module, noting that it builds real confidence here about before they ever transition to a live market. Now, looking at some drawbacks here that you may want to know. So, most of the frequent complaints on this platform center around marketing and expectation and subscription billing. Now, a handful of reviewers point out that some of social media advertising can be a bit misleading, initially giving the impression that it's a set it and forget it automated AI trading robot that invests your money for you, rather than the educational course it actually is. Now, additionally, some users here mentioned that hitting unexpected recurring subscription charges if they forget to cancel at the end of their promotional trial period. Now, overall, if you're looking for a beautifully designed, risk-free trading ground with sharp AI insights to help you build an actual sound trading plan here, the consensus across major review platforms is that Finelo is an exceptionally high-value tool for mastering the market. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.